If you've been following along lately, you know I've been talking a lot about home prices. That's because I want to help as many people as I can understand prices aren't falling. They're just almost normalizing here. Here's the 40-year average for normal home price movement. This is what usually happens to prices throughout the year. Generally, price growth starts off slow. It really ramps up in the spring home buying season, and then it cools off in the second half of the year. This seasonally is what we're starting to see right now. Here's what happens when we layer on this year's data. The blue is still the long-term trend, but the new green bars are what's happening so far this year. We're getting closer and closer to that long-term norm. Notice there aren't any red bars. That's because prices aren't falling. They're not going anywhere. They're actually coming to a normal pace. If I